Space is a fascinating and mysterious place. It's full of wonders that we have yet to fully understand. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 amazing facts about space that will blow your mind. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, which is a massive group of galaxies that stretches over 10 billion light-years across. That's right, we're talking about billions of light-years. It's almost impossible to imagine how vast this structure is. In space, there is no up or down, as there is no gravity to create a sense of direction. Instead, astronauts use a system called relative directions to orient themselves. When you're in space, there's no right side up or upside down. It's all relative to your position and orientation. The Sun is actually a star, and it accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. That's right, the Sun is a star, just like the ones we see in the night sky. It's just much closer and much bigger. The longest continuous time a human has spent in space is 437 days, which was achieved by Russian cosmonaut Valery Polyakov in 1994 to 1995. Imagine spending more than a year in space. That's a long time to be away from Earth. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, which has a temperature of -272 degrees Celsius, -458 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hard to imagine how cold that is. It's almost absolute zero, the point where all molecular motion stops. Voiceover, the largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, which is over 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Cut to an animation of Olympus Mons. Imagine climbing a mountain that's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. That's how big Olympus Mons is. The first man-made object to leave our solar system was Voyager 1, which was launched in 1977 and is still sending back data today, over 14 billion miles away. Cut to an animation of Voyager 1. Voiceover, Voyager 1 is a true testament to human ingenuity. It's been traveling through space for over 40 years, and it's still sending back valuable data. Cut to the 8th fact. Voiceover, a day on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to rotate once on its axis, is longer than a year on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to orbit the Sun. Cut to an animation of Venus. Voiceover, it's hard to wrap your head around this one. Imagine a day being longer than a year. That's how it is on Venus. If you were to fall into a black hole, you would experience spaghettification, where the gravitational forces would stretch your body out into long, thin strips. Falling into a black hole is not something you want to experience. The gravitational forces are